in the cardio room, guys, we have some very versatile pieces of equipment, great for athletes and regular people alike. And we're going to show you today our Prowler Sled and our regular sled. Andy will demonstrate in a moment how it works. You can add resistance to them as well. The Prowler on its own weighs 50, and then you add the plates on top like that. Similarly, this sled is a top loading situation, and there are various handles that you can use them in different directions. So you can use these for drags, lunging, sprints, many different ways. All right, here we see Andy doing some Prowler lunges, similar to a regular lunge, except this time we're driving forward as well and have that resistance from the sled. Andy here is just doing a straight Prowler push, great for general conditioning, get some resistance in that movement. Nice angle on the body there, driving with the feet and legs. All right, and here's the other option for Prowler pushes and Prowler sprints is the low handle on the sled there. There's two options for the height, but same thing, you're getting down low and driving forward with the legs. This time we're dragging backwards. We've tied a rope onto the front of the Prowler. Same thing with resistance, and we're gonna do a backward sled drag for this one. Same thing, big mover for the legs, great for the cardio. Same again, backward sled drag, but this time we're doing it in an arm over arm fashion. So we're standing in the one position, sitting into it and pulling that with the arms. If you're still unsure, guys, and you want some more ideas on how to use these pieces of equipment, come work with us one-on-one. Speak to us downstairs or one of the coaches, or hit that link below and let's get working together.